Shaniqua Johnson.
And I'm the Wee. We are guest starring
Skiba Joe.
Skiba Joe. Today we're going to do the marshmallow. What is it called?
Chubby Bunny.
The Chubby
I thought
Bunny.
it was a fat ass rabbit.
The Fat Ass Rabbit Challenge. Alright. So we'll begin.
What do I say?
You say Chubby Bunny.
Okay, well, I wasn't sure which
No,
one
you
to say.
eat one first and then you say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby
Two.
Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
3,
Chubby Bunny.
4. Does that count? I didn't understand that.
Get it in there a little bit more.
Push it. Really?
What was that, 5?
Well, she didn't make the last one.
Chubby Bunny.
4.
That was hard.
Okay, so you've made almost none. I'm probably not gonna get
My mouth is as big as y'all's. Well, I'm used to sticking stuff in it.
I knew that was gonna turn dirty. I just knew it.
Just stick it in there.
My hair is driving me nuts.
Chubby Bunny.
1,
Chubby Bunny.
2,
Chubby Bunny.
3.
This isn't fair.
Chubby Bunny.
4. I look ratchet. Okay. Oh.
Ew, it's so sexy.
I hear it making noises. Ew. That's so gross.
Chubby Bunny.
Yeah. Sorry, 5. 6.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my God. 7.
That doesn't count, does it?
I think we should make some hot chocolate after
Yeah. I'll make my best
So
one.
gross. Okay.
this.
This won't end well.
So was it 6 or 7?
I think it was 7. Is that blood or
That's
lipstick?
my lipstick.
Ew. So gross. Okay. Chubby Bunny.
Chinese bunny.
Can't even say the damn thing. Chubby Bunny.
2.
Chubby Bunny.
Can't chew on.
I'm not.
You look like you have like one of those tumors.
Chubby Bunny. Are you too?
Yeah. You're on 5 now.
That was fun.
That's how I won, right?
Yeah, you got 7.
By 1. It's an experience.
It's really hard. I really thought we'd be able to fit more in there.
I know, right?
Yeah.
No.
It was difficult to talk.
It's a hard challenge.
I give props to the people who can get like 10 of them in there.
Jesus. What a big mouth. So that was the Chubby Bunny challenge. If you liked that, great. If you didn't, I'm sorry we wasted your time.
Is this gonna be like in every video thing?
And if you would like to see us do anything else, please leave it in the comment box below.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. So if you want to see anything else, comment below what you'd like to see. Keep it classy.
Not trashy.